Growing on Instagram organically in 2020, is it possible?
Yes.
And I would argue it's because of the right hashtags. So in this video, you'll learn how to find the right hashtags and my exact process to find quality hashtags, or how you can get them instantly if you don't want to find them yourself, based on their average likes and your ability, your potential to rank on them, which is even more important. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and growing on Instagram, so subscribe if you're new. And you know what? I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do, are you listening? Comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, or YouTube username down below. I'll put your awesome comments in an awesome comment jar and then shout you out just like this in one of the next videos though. Okay, so grab a cup of coffee, sit down, relax and listen. First of all, if you don't want to search for hashtags yourself, you can just purchase hashtags from my agency for starting from 99 cents. There's a link in the description. But if you want to search for it, there's two ways, a free and a paid way. Basically based on would you want to use it to or not. So the free way is to actually use Instagram. Just go and search for different hashtags. For example, you can type in motivation and then you can find a hashtag like motivation, but if you check here, most of the pages probably have thousands. You see that thousands of likes. What you want to do is, normally before here you'd have different ideas of hashtags, but now you got to find it like this. I would go on a hashtag with less posts, for example, motivation nation, 400,000 posts, and I would bet some of them don't really have thousands of likes. As you can see here, this doesn't have thousands of likes, but it's probably getting a good amount of reach. And you would basically want to get 200-300 hashtags that you can circle around on your post. There's a better way though, and I'll show you it on my screen right here. You go on this website called Flick. I'm using the paid version. It only costs a few dollars a month. It's not expensive than a Netflix subscription actually. And you go and click this button, find hashtag. Look how easy it is here. Motivation. Just type that in. And what I would like to do is have not the group view. I like to have the table view, not the graph, just the table view. It's really easy to understand. And then you can go and refine your search results. I click that, and what I like to do, this is the easiest filter, average likes. I would get below 3,000 likes on a post right now. I was shadow banned for a while. I was getting less than 100, but let's say that to be sure I'll rank, I'll choose posts between 100 and 500 likes. And when I do that, you can see here it will refresh. You have the potential reach, but you can also see the average likes. If you want to sort it by potential reach, this is the best practice actually. You see the average reach and the lowest average likes start from here. This is a very good hashtag word. It has a lot of posts, not a lot of average comments, not a lot of average likes, but the potential reach is really good. Competition is high, okay, but the average likes are not. So basically like this, you would go ahead, select a bunch of hashtags, save it to your list, and that's it. That's how easy it is. This is an OBS tutorial. I told you that, and we only needed a few minutes to explain it. So again, if you appreciate me making awesome, wholesome videos like this, give this video a like and subscribe if you're new. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is not financial or medical advice, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.